Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to play Please Donate on PlayStation, Roblox, PS4, or PS5. Okay, first things first, navigate to the search bar on Roblox and search for Please Donate under Sort Out Experiences and enter the term Please Donate and press Done. Look for the experience likely labeled Please Donate with a high number of players. Example given is 16,000. After that, just click on it to join the experience. Once done clicking, just wait for the experience to load and use the trackpad on PS5 or PS4 controller to interact. Claim any rewards by pressing the appropriate button, which is usually X, and close the pop-up. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now play Please Donate on PlayStation, Roblox, PS4, or PS5. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.